Hi. So now let us check whatever is our understanding in the last lecture, that is finding the irreducible set. So on this set of FDs, let us try to find out canonical form actually. Okay. So what is the step one actually? As he told, our RHS side, we must have only one attribute. So that is what, if you write down this one, AB derives D and A derives B and C derives B. So here you can split actually. Okay, decomposition rule. So C derives D actually. Now here what we have to do actually, if you take every functional dependency, whether this is we need to essential or not, we have to find out. So for that, with this FD, without this FD, let us try to find out all possibilities actually. So you must derive D actually. So AB closure, if I find what I am getting. So without this FD, let us see. A is deriving, okay, you can take like this AB first of all, and A derives B, but B already there. And are you able to then generate the D? No, actually, because here LHS side C only. So that is what we are unable to generate D. So this is essential. Now come for this actually. Let us try to find out A closure without having this FD. So that we must generate B actually. So if I find the A closure without having this FD, keep it in mind. Now these three only there in the set. So A closure A, fine. So here AB is there, here C is there. This is what the set. Even this is also not generating B. So that means this is also essential. Got it or not? Now let us go for this part. Find the C closure. If you find the C closure by not having this set, this FD, you must generate B actually. So is it possible? So it is generating C. Of course, C generating D. Fine. So, but we are unable to generate B actually. That is what, even this is also essential. Similarly, C closure, if you try to find out C, and here it is generating B, but we need D actually. But in from these three, by using C or B or by both combination, we are unable to generate D. So that is why this D we are unable to generate. So this is also essential. So that is what step one and step two we did. So step one, writing LHS side all single attributes, RHS side single attributes, and then every attribute you take, whether it is valid or not, that means essential or not, you just cross check in this manner. So this is what step two done. Now in the step three, what he is saying actually, so LHS side, observe actually. LHS side, anywhere if you have more than one attribute, consider that FD only. Because for these three, you have only one attribute. But for this FD, we have two attributes. Let us take that one first of all. AB derives D. And of course, we already concluded all of them are essential. So let it be. Now come to this part. AB derives D. Fine. Now let us check first of all without B with B. Okay. So without B, if you find the A closure, what we are getting actually. Okay, so if I find A closure without B, so what we are getting A, of course B. So then anything else are we getting? So these two only we are going to get actually. So here of course D we are generating. Now A B closure, what we are getting? A B closure. So A B closure is generating. So that means with B. So A B of course, D of course, and then what else we are able to generate? So this only, right? So now here you can see, because both of them generating same set, what you can say, that is what this LHS part you can replace with that subset, right? That is what last point here it is saying. So then replace the left side with that subset. So that means this FD we can write down like this, AB, instead of B actually you can write down simply A. So let us remove this part. So here A derives D you can write down from this, and remaining is A derives B, C derives B, C derives D. So this further if you try to reduce, this is minimal form actually, minimal set. And from this what you can write down by union rule, A derives BD, so A derives BD and C derives BD. So both of them deriving BD only. So this is canonical form. Okay, so that is what, if you observe here, this is the main thing. Without having one attribute, if you are able to generate it, that means all possible subsets. Even you can find out in this way also. B closer you find. B closer is finding what actually? That means A is not there. So when A is not there, if you try to find out B closer, so B and D, then here you are unable to generate any other actually. So that means this only. But both the things is same? No, actually, both of them is not same. But in this case, both of them is same. That is what you have to understand. So every individual attribute closure you find, and every subset also you try to find the closure. Whichever subset, if it is equal to total LHS closure, then that you can replace with that subset you can replace in the LHS part. That is what this is done. Now this is what the minimal form finally. So that you can write down like this. So this is the canonical form actually. Okay.